ancient city steeped in tradition. The magical Roman theatre in the heart of Bulgaria. 19 centuries on, it still stands as a vibrant stage for the performing arts.
I never meant to be so bad to you. One thing I said that I would never do.
Harder, hit me harder.
Sounds of the Ages, the International Music Forum, drawing top musicians, legendary bands, and thousands of fans to Plovdiv every year.
You know what I mean?
The extraordinary stage for grand productions. Some of Europe's top journalists are now regulars.
A very orchestral and big conclusion, which is exactly what we were looking for, and it's just perfect for the piece, and that's why we're here and that's why we're doing it.
Over 30,000 fans have flocked to the Roman theatre since the forum's inception 5 years ago. The shows have been filmed and released for a worldwide distribution. And the best is yet to come.
You just slip through my fingers.
The Bulgarian word for welcome is Dobre došli. Sounds of the Ages in 2016 will offer another selection of amazing shows. Plovdiv, European Capital of Culture 2019.